Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the Wind Technician Tethering Kit from Ergodyne. Last year, we saw an industry-wide emphasis on tool tethering and drop prevention standards, and that buzz isn't going away anytime soon, as more and more companies create innovative solutions to make tool tethering easier and more convenient for workers. One of those companies leading the charge in preventing dropped objects is Ergodyne. Ergodyne is no stranger to the game, with their long-standing line of Squids tool tethering accessories that include everything from lanyards to tetherable tool cases to individual parts for making any tool tetherable. One could even say Ergodyne was providing tool tethering solutions before it was cool. And now they've stepped up their game with industry-specific tool tethering kits to outfit yourself or your whole crew with a variety of tool tethering solutions to keep you safe and compliant. They've covered everyone from scaffolders to concrete masons and even carpenters. And now in a special collaboration with our gear experts, they've created a kit specifically for wind technicians. This kit combines the high-quality equipment that Ergodyne is known for with the knowledge and expertise that our gear experts are known for to create a perfectly tailored tethering kit. This kit is designed for compatibility with both large and small hand tools, and even includes accessories to make those tools without built-in lanyard connections tetherable. Let's quickly run through all the tethering solutions that you'll receive with this kit. For starters, it comes with 7 packs of tool shackles ranging from small to large for adding tetherable connection points to any compatible tool. It also comes with 12 feet of self-adhering tape and webbed tool connectors for tools without built-in tethering options. You'll also receive 1 large power tool trap, hand tool traps, and 6 wire tool attachments. As far as lanyards go, this kit includes 1 wrist lanyard, 1 single locking carabiner lanyard, 3 detachable tool lanyards, and a 3-pack of additional loops for those detachable lanyards. And that right there is the Wind Technician Tethering Kit from Ergodyne. We work with Ergodyne to develop this kit based on the feedback we received from actual field technicians, so you can be sure it has exactly what you need. If you need additional items for your team that aren't included in this kit, more industry-specific tool tethering kits, or any other tool tethering solution, contact our gear experts today or head over to gmesupply.com. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. If there's any gear or topics you want us to cover in a future video, drop a comment below. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a show dedicated to ad height industry and construction. Find it at gearexperts.com.